Unlocking the secret of Shop Now, Pay Later. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a phrase that you've probably seen while shopping online or in advertisements. Shop now, pay later. This concept is becoming more popular around the world, and understanding it can not only help you navigate shopping experiences better but also enhance your English vocabulary. So, let's break it down together. Shop Now, Pay Later is a financial service that allows consumers to purchase goods or services immediately but delay payment until a later date. This can be done in several installments over time or as a single payment due by a specific deadline. This phrase is crucial for learners because it encapsulates an entire economic concept in 4 simple words. The key components of this phrase are: shop now. This implies that you can take possession of a product or benefit from a service immediately. Pay later. This indicates that the payment for these goods or services can be deferred to a future date, without the immediate exchange of money at the point of sale. Shop now, pay later plans can vary, but they typically involve a few common steps. 1. Selection. You choose the Shop Now, Pay Later option at checkout. 2. Approval. A quick approval process follows, where the service provider assesses your eligibility. 3. Repayment plan. You're presented with a repayment plan, detailing when and how much you need to pay back. It's important to note that while this service provides flexibility, it also requires responsibility. Consumers need to understand the terms and conditions, such as interest rates, fees, and repayment deadlines, to avoid financial pitfalls. The Shop Now, Pay Later concept has significantly impacted both consumers and businesses. For consumers, it offers financial flexibility and the ability to manage cash flow better. For businesses, it can lead to increased sales and customer loyalty, as people are more likely to purchase items they can pay for over time. However, it's crucial to approach these services with caution. They can encourage overspending and accumulate debt if not managed wisely. Understanding the terms and being mindful of one's ability to repay are key to using these services effectively. We hope this video has shed light on the Shop Now, Pay Later phrase and how it reflects a broader trend in consumer finance. It's more than just a catchy phrase. It's a tool that, when used wisely, can offer convenience and flexibility. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to financial matters. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on English language learning. See you in the next video.